So I've had this keyboard for about a good few weeks now, about a month. And this is the Sk71 Pro. It's a pretty nice keyboard for the about $90 US, about 150 Canadian or so. It sounds pretty nice. I have the Palm Panda switches in it. It's the black and white edition. Comes with a 3.4 gigahertz dongle, or 2.4 or whatever. It looks pretty nice. It's got nice RGB. It's got VS software, which I can't really seem to use. I just can't figure it out. Not very smart, but yeah, it sounds really nice. Spacebar is definitely an upgrade from my old keyboard. And yeah, it's just got a little switch in here showing you if it's on or off with this little magnetic cover. It says Womir on the back. Oh, if I can. It says Womir on the back. Just clips in, push it up to get off. And if you hold FN and hit spacebar, you can see the battery percentage. It goes all the way up here as it's full battery. FN, backspace, changes the RGB effects. There's a whole bunch of RGB effects around here that you can mess with. Even the trend that went on a while ago where you just press the spacebar and it glows. There's FN, whatever these are, to slow it down, brighten it, whatnot. Yeah, it's a pretty nice keyboard. I'd say it's worth it.